Hey, how's it going, everybody? I'm going to show you guys how to diagnose a no crank, no star. So what you guys are going to want to do is you're going to want to gain access to the main bolt located on your timing assembly. So my bolt on my Volkswagen GTI is a 20mm. So I'm going to prop you guys up. This is my bolt. I'm going to take my 20mm socket and I'm going to turn it. Now, let's see how far I can turn it. Alright, so as you guys can see, I was able to turn it a couple degrees before it ended up locking up. Now, what that is doing is it's moving your pistons or your valves, and it's giving them a little bit more moving room than they had before. So when you go to start it, you'll be able to hear it turn over, but that doesn't mean that it's going to start. So let's turn it over and you guys are going to see the engine jump. So I'm going to turn the car over. Alright, so as you guys can see, my valves are hitting my pistons, which means that my motor is locked up and I need to get a new one. You guys hear it clicking over. I replaced the starter and I replaced the battery. So if I were you guys, I would get a voltage meter and I would test out the battery. And then after that, I would test out the starter. And if both are good, I would do what I just did, and if it turns over and it locks up just like that, that's how you know that you have a bad motor.